Footers are most commonly used for an organization's full name and contact information. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to add a site-wide footer to your SimpleSite. To do so, you'll need two things. First, access to edit your SimpleSite. Second, the information to be included in the footer such as your address, phone number, and contact information. A third item, which is optional, is a web page like this which lists your organization's contact information. In this demonstration, I'll use a SimpleSite which has been enhanced in appearance with one of the style sheets from DCN's gallery. The layout and features are essentially the same as the default version. To save time, I've skipped the login steps. If you need help, please refer to the video which talks about how to log in and log out. We're now on the home page. Let's select the Edit tab. From the row of options near the top, select Footer. Move the cursor inside the box for footer text and start typing. If you want the text to be centered, click once on the icon for center. I'll turn on bold text by clicking on the B icon. Let's type in the name of the organization, the Simple Club. Now I'll turn off bold by clicking on the B again. Next, I will move to the second line and enter the address 123 South Main Street. Then move to the next line, Davis, California 95616. The next line, I'll enter the phone number. On the next line, I'll enter website manager followed by a separator and contact us. Next, I'll show you how to hyperlink Website Manager to an email address. First, highlight it, then look for the Insert External Link icon, which looks like a globe. Remove the default text here and replace it with MAILTO : follow immediately with the email address with no space in between. Then scroll down to look for the OK button. Click on it. There you see Website Manager underlined, which indicates it's hyperlinked. For Contact Us, I'll show you how to link it to your web page, which has a list of contact information. Let me show you the page which I've created ahead of time. This is especially helpful when your organization has several people responsible for different tasks. Now let's go back to complete the footer. First, highlight Contact Us. Then let's scroll up a little and look for the Insert Internal Link icon, which looks like a chain. Click on it. Then browse for the item that you want to link to. This is the one, so I click on the radio button. Then click OK. And there you see an underline for Contact Us, which indicates it's hyperlinked. Now we're ready to save it. There's the footer, and it appears on all web pages. Now let's test the hyperlinks. When a user clicks on Website Manager, it will activate the email client. In this case, because of the way my browser is configured, it will ask for what email client I want to use. Let's pick, for example, Gmail. It will open my Gmail account, and the to line will be automatically filled with the recipient's email address. I can then type in the subject line and the message just like any other email and send it. Now let's use the back button to go back to the SimpleSite to test the other hyperlink. When I click on Contact Us, it will go to the contact page. To see how the footer looks to the public, you can log out now. Alternatively, use a different browser where you're not logged in. You're now looking at the browser where I'm not logged in. If you don't see the footer and if you're using a PC, use the combined keys of Ctrl and F5 to refresh the browser. Let's scroll down a little to see it. If you hover over Website Manager or Contact Us, you may notice the cursor changes to a hand shape to indicate they are hyperlinked. This tutorial has been brought to you by DCN, the Davis Community Network.